to go clean the Airbnb today, so that's on my list of to do today. Right now I'm with my boyfriend. He's working on his cousin's car, but I'm gonna sit here. I bring my iPad with me. I'm gonna sit here and edit some pictures, make some digital content. I got Procreate up, so let's do a little bit of work. I wish you guys could see what I see, because this room is such a vibe right now with the light off, the window closed, and the lamp setting the mood. Imagine I'm trying to kick back and relax, and you're kicked back in this big old bed with the TV on, and you're relaxing. Don't worry, I'm going to move that pillow over. Good morning, y'all. It's another day. It is Friday. I am here at the Airbnb, making sure that it's good to go for the guest that checks in for this weekend. We have the lights on, of course. Got the TV on for them. It's a little wet out here because it's been raining, but this is the outside. We got the hot tub over there.